Is it time to lead or is it time to die? Time to raise hell or walk on by. Is there anybody out there that's paying attention? Yeah, yeah. Is it time to speak up or time for silence? Time for peace or is it time for violence? Is there anybody out there that's paying attention? Yeah, yeah. Tell me what you're trying to hide and what you're running from inside. 'Cause I got a surprise. We might not make it to the morning. So go on and tell me now. Do you have enough love in your heart to go and get your hands dirty? It isn't that much, but it's a good start. So go and get your hands dirty. Do you love your neighbor? Is it in your nature? Do you love a sunset? Aren't you fed up yet? Do you have enough love in your heart to go and get your hands dirty? Yeah, yeah. To go and get your hands dirty. I got a skeleton under the floorboard. I got a secret I need you to keep. Run away, you have been forewarned. I don't wanna go off in the deep. If we don't do something, we'll be stuck up in the mud again. Don't wanna mess it up, 'cause I want everything enough for me. I got a feeling when they're walking on the ceiling that the people need a healing. And then tell me what you're trying to hide and what you're running from inside. 'Cause I got a surprise. We might not make it to the morning. So go on and tell me now. Do you have enough love in your heart to go and get your hands dirty? It isn't that much, but it's a good start. So go and get your hands dirty. Do you love your neighbor? Is it in your nature? Do you love a sunset? Aren't you fed up yet? Do you have enough love in your heart to go and get your hands dirty? To go and get your hands dirty. Is there anybody out there that's paying attention? Is there anybody out there that's paying attention? Is there anybody out there that's paying attention? Is there anybody out there? So go on and tell me now. Do you have enough love in your heart to go and get your hands dirty? It isn't that much, but it's a good start. So go and get your hands dirty. Do you love your neighbor? Is it in your nature? Do you love a sunset? Aren't you fed up yet? Do you have enough love in your heart to go and get your hands dirty? Yeah, yeah. To go and get your hands dirty.
Below the willow tree is where I hide the darkest parts of me. They're hiding underneath the broken lies that I just still believe. Below the willow tree is where I sit and hate on my enemies. I drown them in my dreams. I think it's me who needs some humility. I'm alone here. I'm alone here. I'm alone here. I'm alone here. Can you feel the sun? I don't, but I can see it. Can you feel the breeze? I don't, but I believe it. I don't feel safe when I'm not alone. And I know what you're thinking. I like it on my own. But I'll let you in if you stay. It's I search to find some sense of identity. This weeping willow tree sits in silence, sheds no tears. Can you feel the sun? I do, but I can't see it. Can you feel the breeze? I don't, but I believe it. I don't feel safe when I'm not alone. And I know what you're thinking. I like it on my own. But I'll let you in if you say it's okay. I'm alone here. I'm alone here. I'm alone Can you feel the sun? I do, but I can't see it. Can you feel the breeze? I don't, but I believe it. I don't feel safe when I'm not alone. And I know what you're thinking. I like it on my own. But I'll let you in if you say it's okay. I'm alone for sure. I'm lost to the world.